Hi my loves, welcome to Nusha Styles. If it's your first time here, my name is Claudia. Today you're gonna join me again in another application of my day-to-day makeup. I mean, this is what I do every day. My basic makeup, it takes me 5 to 10 minutes, but because of course I am filming for you guys, it will take slightly longer. I'm also gonna share with you my thrift findings. I love thrifting. I haven't done for many years since the bad virus. However, I try to return back to the business of reselling, and I also just been looking around at my the things I already have. I recently bought a pair of jeans. I'll share with you guys as well, and I'm gonna dress up today with everything that I thrifted. Stay tuned and follow me in my journey by subscribing to my channel and pressing that notification button so YouTube can notify you as soon as I upload new videos. So let's not be rude, guys. I've got this concealer from AliExpress. It's quite lighter than I wish to be. However, because I know how to blend the foundation with the concealer and so on, I can manage very well. But for some other people, might be difficult to try to blend a very light concealer. So be aware when you get a concealer, has to be at least 3 tones lighter than your complexion, but not like this one that I've got here will be more like for a Caucasian person. But because I do know how to blend it, I can get away with it if you like. I started uploading videos on Reels. Please follow me at Nusha Styles on Instagram as well as TikTok, my friends. I'm here recording for Instagram as well and TikTok. That's why my angle is a bit off and I'm looking in 2 different cameras, you see. So yeah, please subscribe and smash that like button and share with a friend as well. Ladies, makeup just makes me feel very feminine. I feel great, despite of my circumstances. It just brightens my day. It makes me feel like I'm looking after myself. Every time I bump into somebody, they always tell me, not always, but more often than not, how immaculate I make an effort basically, but it takes me 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day. Because the consistency is very sort of a creamy. Sometimes it's better to actually use your fingers. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Using my fingers, I just want this as a highlight, not too much, but it gives that, it's very glitzy, but not like only for like going to a party. You can actually wear this, like as a everyday, type of eyeshadow. It does have got shimmery sparkles, and yeah, it kind of sort of makes you feel a bit like you wearing something, but I love this. I got from AliExpress, and I think some designer brands actually have got these products for way more higher price. Yeah, so that's that. Get yourself a palette of natural tones. You have to have your browns, your soft pinks, your sort of a terracotta, deep reds, and the orange, like a burnt orange as well. if you're, I'm talking to a dark skin complexion women. And yeah, so brown definitely. So you want to sort of a contour your eyelid, you want to smoke it a little bit without using the black. It can be a bit harsh for like every dye, but the brown softens, and it helps blend the eyeshadow so well as well. Yeah, try to get a neutral palette to start off. I use a very inexpensive mascara from Primark, you can see here, and I've got that blue one that I bought from that store. I think it's called Wilkinson. They've got sort of a makeup range called the Essence or something like that. Don't quote me, but I loved that mascara. It was so pigmented, guys, but it dried out now. So, but it did actually last me for a long while. And I then got this Primark one that you see me applying here. Why do you always pull faces when we are, working with our eyes? I mean, always these ugly faces we make. But yeah, this is all right compared to the blue one that I had in my hands first. I prefer the other one, but this does the job as well, as you guys can see here. Yeah. So, I'm lazy to wear fake lashes, although I've got hundreds of them under my daughter's bed because I was going to get into the business of lashes. Now, I'm going to. I've got this hoodie and I've got this pink. I'm feeling like wearing pink because I'm going to wear something pink today. It's a sunny day, and yeah, why not? Let's wear pink. My lips are very dried. I sell like beauty products. I've got like sugar scrubs and stuff like that. I need to definitely do a treatment tonight, but I'll be wearing these. I'm assuming I'll be wearing these. Let me decide. This is the hoodie. I don't know what color this is, but it's this gorgeous pink, and I broke, literally stepped on it, but let me just show you. See how pretty. Because I'm filming for my TikTok as well as Instagram, I'm gonna go back and wipe these and start again because I want to include on the reels as well. Follow me on my Instagram as well as TikTok, please, guys. Is where I'm gonna be uploading like short videos and stuff. All right. Yeah. Be back. A very inexpensive bronzer. You find that bronzer anywhere. Even today, I went to Rug Market and I found it for like £3. So you see the way I highlight it. I just sort of chisel my face slightly with a dark color, and then I highlight with my pressing powder just to add that harmony to the face as well. Makeup is done, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. So guys, I have thrifted these jeans from Cancer Research. It has got a big hole here, but I'll show it on how it looks. It's by this brand. I think it's either Shein or something like that. So it's like a high-waisted denim, and I paid £7 and 50 cents for it. So I'm gonna wear with this thrifted, like chiffon top, like blouse. Very nice, very flowy, very colorful. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna let you guys see it. So nice. It looks very like Dolce & Gabbana. It has got a long tie, can wear different ways. So I'm gonna attempt what the girls are doing on Instagram, like wearing different ways. You see if I can, instead of just wearing as a blouse, I can make it look like something else. Yeah, let's try it. Guys, wasn't able to style this blouse different ways. I'm just showing you here this Muse, is it Muse? You know, Primark, with this pink like blouse. I mean, I bought that from Primark very cheaply last year. So guys, don't sleep. And when it like summer or winter time, you see like any Primark sale handy. We have a very short summer here in the UK, but a lot of you guys know that I'm from Angola, so time to time I go and visit my country, and they come so handy. And you know, once I wear there for a week or two, I leave it for my cousins and family members. You know, yeah. So I wasn't unable to style it. They've got a shirt slightly bigger because different ways if you like. It's just like here I'm tying the shirt. You can tuck it in as well as just I want to give that sort of a casual look but smart. You can sort of ends of the shirt like in different sort of either way it's just like that. If you don't want to tie it, you can just wear it like that and create like a symmetrical or asymmetric, more like sort of a disposition for you guys just to get an idea. And it has got a big slit on the back as well. It helps. That's one way. And I actually wore throughout the day, but I had it on and I did tie it because I was in and out of the car lifting things, and wearing that way wouldn't work. So yeah, so this is the another way that I style there. It just reminds me of Dolce& and Gabbana. Love it, love it, love it, as you guys can see. And it has got this layer, what do you call this thing that threw over my it's like a scarf type of extra fabric there, but you can style it and wear it as a scarf. So very nice. We got a pair here of those glasses that I've been wearing lately. Just nice. It's not too dark and it's very much in at the moment. This type of sunglass that was from AliExpress, if I'm not mistaken, no more than £, but it does give it that nice look of expensive. It's very solid as well. It's not flimsy, it's solid. Yeah, like so those sunglasses, they're like a classic, like classic shape. We all wearing these, like the ones that Kim Kardashian are wearing, those sporty ones, but it doesn't apply to every look. So imagine me wearing that with this look. This is a classic shape. I actually, in fact, gonna make a video about all my sunglasses. If you enjoy this type of videos, stay tuned. So I'm talking about fashion a bit more often. And yeah, guys, I love the way I've got like a overall like shape face, and yeah. So, my loves, I'm sharing with you here also this thrifted purse. I bought this. It's a vintage leather bag with a gold chain. And initially, I thought it was that designer MCM or yeah, MCM. I had the trainers. I was going to get the bag from Flannels with my staff discount, but I thought, oh no, I had the trainers already. And yeah, it's a vintage one. I might put on my eBay to sell, but yes, that's how we are looking. And I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe to my channel and give us a like and give us a follow on Instagram as well as TikTok. Guys, it's been a blast. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. So this is how we're looking. We're looking, casual but smart and looked after. And yeah, guys, it didn't cost much, and I feel presentable. And I've got a beautiful fragrance that I bought from Next here that I'm spraying as well, guys. I fell in love with the bottle more than the fragrance, but the fragrance is worth it too. I'll be sharing that with you in the next video. Perhaps not the next, but one along those days, I will share with you guys. Take care.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.